Greetings to everyone for a cool, foggy morning. I hope that you are good and well. So I am also very good and well. So you can see this is the morning, foggy morning right now. I think that I need to share with you in this is the winter morning experience. So now I'm present before you. So you can see I'm talking with you and I'm trying to create a video. So from my mouth you can see there are some fog. Okay, also you can see this is my background, a lot of fog in the morning. But if we want to do anything in the morning right now, village time, we can say, wow, this is very cool, but I don't bathe, but I will not wake up early morning. But if I want to study properly, or if I want to give the exam, or if I want to write, this is the foggy morning, we can see, we can feel on our hand this is not, will not be properly work, because we feel, oh my, I can see, I can write my hand, this is the feeling something. And also if I want to do anything, any work, this is the foggy morning, we can see that, or we can, if we want to do anything, something, we cannot properly work. For example, if we want to play cricket, but if the any ball together will become for us, but if we want to catch this ball, oh my god, on my hand it will be broken, but I should not catch this ball. This is the, and also if we want to bathe any font or by our shower, but it will not feel, oh my god, there is just so many cool, but I need to bathe what hot water, by what water, bathe or bath, you know that BOTH, bath is main, and BETH, bathe is main, guchol kora. I hope that understood. Okay, also you can see here are some birds. I want to, I want to make show you. Okay, there also you can see there are some birds in this foggy morning, they're eating. Oh, you can see, you can see, I hope that very easily, this is the foggy morning right now. They're eating, but I disturb it. Okay, this is wrong for me. So I hope that this is the enjoy foggy morning, very nice for me. And I show you, you can see this is the my background, this is the so many foggy. Greetings to everyone for foggy morning, everyone. So if you want to know anything about my speech, and if you want to know more anything about my speech, and if you have any questions about my speech, so please inbox me and comment me, and try to always I will try to always inform you all everything. And this is video, if I wrong anything, so please forgive me. As well as also I am English learner, so I also a content creator. That's about my topic today here. Allah Hafiz.